Hi guys, so I am going to be using my Deco Arts Media Gesso just to put a couple coats on this composition book. So I just had to mix it up a little bit and I'm going to go ahead and I just want to create a surface that will make it easy for me to paint on. I did tape my pages down to protect them a little bit, and I did that mostly for you guys because I don't care if paint or anything gets on there, but in case you want to do that, for some other kind of journal where you don't really want a lot of paint or gesso on your pages, you can just take a piece of copy paper and some masking tape and just tape everything off and it's ready to go. So it's up to you. So I'm just going to go ahead and just go over this with a couple coats of gesso. I'll just let things dry in between. I'm even going to go over this part here. But I really love that black, so I might end up painting it black. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but this is going to be my creative ideas journal. So I just want kind of a cheap little notebook where I can just write down ideas and maybe put some of my inspiration. I just need a place for everything to go because I am notorious for having sticky notes and note cards and a lot of notebooks and stuff, which is great, but sometimes I like to write things out. I'm definitely a pen and paper kind of girl. I know how to use the computer for things, but I definitely like being able to do some stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and just cover this up and I will let you watch the process. It's not going to be perfect. I'm going to add paint probably and some collage over it. And I did just hit this with some sandpaper from the dollar store just to remove some of that coating. So we'll let this side dry and then I'll flip it over and do the other side. I'm probably not going to show me doing that, but you will get to see how it looks, and then we'll begin adding paint and building up beautiful layers of work. Okay, so I'll be back.
I've been lonely. I've been really, really lonely. I be buying things for me. I get food by myself. When I eat, I be lonely. Contemplating. At a party with some friends, contemplating. What's my life gonna be? Is there someone there for me? I've been winning by myself, but now I need. Who is that? Asking people around me, who is that? You just walked in the room, now my mind's all on you. But don't be taken back, we just chatting. Are you dating? Let me know, cause the future's in the making. So hello, namaste, you do yoga every day. Let's have lunch on your way, but I didn't get your name. Let me have you over, get to know ya. Namaste, yeah, yeah. What you having? Let me go order up what you having. All the vibes that you give tell me you wanna live with someone who's relaxed. I'm relaxed. Are you single? Would you mind telling me if you're single? There's so much that I see, better love you and me. I've been playing by myself, maybe now with the team. What you thinking? It's important that I know what you're thinking. Cause a mind is a thing that's so terrible to waste. Plus I know that you're smart, I can see it in your face. I'm persuasive, cause I know our future's in the making. So hello, namaste, you do yoga every day. Let's have lunch on your way, but I didn't get your name. What's your name? I'll be like, namaste, 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 namaste. hurt you like yoga. Namaste, I'd invite you over, but I don't even know your name. What's your name? Can you tell me your name? Hurt you like yoga. Namaste, let me have you over, get to know you. Baby, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? I'll be like namaste, 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 namaste. Baby, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? I'll be like namaste, 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 namaste. Baby, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? I'll be like namaste, 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 namaste. Baby, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? I'll be like namaste, 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 namaste. Baby, what's your name? Pack up your perfume and all your clothes, take back the TV. It's time to go now. We're moving out of town, town, town. Pack a few picture frames before we're done. I scraped up all the change up under our bed. We're getting out of here. I've been dreaming about the Golden Coast, where celebrities and ordinary people go. I know you wanna change, we're driving state to state until you forgive me, baby. We're rolling down this freeway. We left the past behind us, and up ahead I see California, yeah. By the time we get there, maybe you forgive me. Let's love hard, let's live now in Hollywood, California, yeah. Filling the gas tank, we're moving on, taking this freeway until it runs out. We're moving out of town, town, town. I know you're mad at me for what I've done, starting in Cali. I'm making things right. So tell your friends goodbye, bye, bye. I've been dreaming about the Golden Coast, where celebrities and ordinary people go. I know you wanna change, we're driving state to state until you forgive me, baby. We're rolling down this freeway. Down this highway. We left the past behind us, and up ahead I see California, yeah. By the time we get there, maybe you forgive me, baby. Let's love hard, let's live now in Hollywood, California, yeah. Look at all those stars, baby, look at all of those. There goes the Hollywood driving through the night. I'm driving through the night. You came with me, God forgive me. Starting over when we reach California. Starting over when we reach California. I can't wait until we reach that city of
All done. So I really love the way it turned out. I did make a mistake when I was spelling, because you guys know that I'm dyslexic. So I switched the letters around. I do that a lot, or missing letters and stuff like that. It would have helped if I would have spelled it out before. So I am going to seal this now. I collaged the inside of the covers with just a beautiful piece of paper towel that I had that I used to wipe things up. I did have to take out the bottom page because I didn't do such a good job and it seeped underneath, but that's okay. You can like really tear these off and fix it up and no one will ever know that it's missing a page. But I really love the way that it turned out. So I'm going to seal this with my Decoupage Deco Page Matte Finisher and Glue. And this works really, really well. So I'm going to do that. But I want to create a closure for this first. So I have some seam binding in my favorite color, purple. And I'm going to use my crocodile. You could use an eyelet for this, but I don't think I'm going to bother. And I put a little bit of the medium out. So that's maybe I should first begin by sealing this. So, okay. Yeah, I think we'll seal it first. So I'm just going to take a brush and just go over it quickly. And this is just going to seal it and give it a little bit of longevity. Everything that I use was permanent, so I don't have to worry about anything. I was going to actually put something on the spine, but I added these little black marks, which I like. So I think that's okay too. And I will show you guys how I'm going to use this journal in case you want to make your own. But I just need a place to put like creative notes about things that I'm inspired by and things like that. So this is what this journal is all about. It's just a cheapie, but it's a great way to keep things organized. And I might actually do like monthly spreads with to-do lists or something like that. I haven't decided, but I kind of have an idea of things that I want to do. Kind of like a commonplace book, so I can put things that I want to remember and inspiration and to-do lists and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and seal both sides of this. This will dry clear, really get those edges nicely, and this will just protect my paint a little bit. I'm sure this little guy's going to get beat up a lot, so just want to make sure. And I will do a commission of these too, so if you guys are interested, if you want your own creative journal, then please, you can always email me and ask for a commission. They take a little bit of time to make, because you have to seal everything and it's lots of paint and layers, but probably be in this kind of style, but you could customize it with your own colors, or you can make your own. And I do love altering these books too. This is a very cheap brush, so I lost lots of little things here. But that looks good. Okay, so I will let that dry, and then I'm going to flip over and do the other side, and then we'll come back and we'll do the closure. Okay, so I'm just going to maybe do it maybe about that long. I don't know, maybe that's like 1/4 of an inch. I just want it so I can tie it together. Or maybe not 1/4 of an inch. Maybe like, I don't know, like 6 inches. A little bit more. Just like that. And I'm going to just grab something that I can thread this with. You could use like whatever you want, or whatever you have on the spine. I'm going to see if I can find... So I'm going to take it, I'm going to thread it through just like that. Fold it somewhere in the middle of it. Okay, and this is going to be kind of a rough action here, because hopefully that will fit. I might have to make the hole just a little bit bigger too. Take it, we're just going to try to get it through as much as we can. A piece of wire works better for this, but I don't have any of my drawer making supplies. It's all in storage. So we're just going to use what we have here, hopefully, if we can. Let's see if we can make this hole just a smidge bigger. Just like that. Alrighty, let's see if I can thread it through now. Maybe, I think we can get it through. Perfect. Okay, so we can just do that. I'm going to go here and just make a simple double knot. Nothing fancy. So I'm going to bring it through as much as I can. And I'll put a little bit of glue just to make sure that that knot doesn't come out too quick. And like that. Like that. And then we'll put some tacky glue on there. Alrighty, just like that. And then we'll do the same thing here. So let's make the hole just a little bit bigger here. Just a touch. And we'll do the same thing. So we'll take this, thread it through. Wonderful. That one went through very, very easy. And we'll go on the back side here, and we'll just give ourselves a lot of blacks, and we'll just make a couple knots. Just like that. Sorry, I tried to do this video before it got too dark. the lighting in this room in my house is not very good. So once it gets dark, I really cannot film. So I just tried to do it before. So hopefully you can't see too many shadows, but I'm sorry if you can. So we'll take that and that, just like that. Perfect. Alrighty, and then we can just fold it. So this I can tape down even if I want. And it just has a fun little closure, right? So I can take it on the road with me and I don't have to worry about it coming open, and it's so cute and simple. So as I said, I will customize one of these if you want to order one. But they are so cute and I love them, and I'm going to make a lot of them for myself. So they're so cute. They're adorable. So they're really fun, very, very easy to make. And if you would like to see what's inside, please leave me a comment so I know that you're interested. But I am just going to fill this with all sorts of inspiration and things. And I probably can't wait to get started. So I have some things that I want to write down, some ideas and things that I'm going through. So I want to put them in this journal and just have a beautiful place to house all those ideas and to take this with me everywhere. So I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching the process. I truly appreciate it. And I hope that you are having an awesome day. I'm recording this a few days before Thanksgiving, but you'll probably see it after that. But I hope that you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. And we do have so much to be grateful for. I think sometimes I forget that. But it's good to remind ourselves that we do have so much to be thankful for. And there are so many awesome people out there that love us. That we should be grateful for, and so many just wonderful blessings that God gives us. So very great. So I hope that you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. And I wish that I had an inlay board, because it's great when you're doing collage. You can just kind of go through and just like remove all that stuff. But it's okay if it's a little bit imperfect. I'm a little bit imperfect, or a lot imperfect. So this fits me very well, but I really love the way this turns out. So I hope you guys are doing great, and I will see you for the next project. Bye-bye. And if you have videos requests, will you please leave them below? I have not asked you guys for video requests in a really long time, and I really am getting back into this channel, and I really want to start filming stuff that you guys really want to see. So please let me know if there's something that I've done before that I've kind of backed off of. If you'll tell me, maybe I can start making videos of that again. Or if there's something that you're curious, that you want to try, maybe we can try it together. So please send me your video requests, and I will see you guys later. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Happy creative